Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using Chef server tokens for node access, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize using Chef server tokens for node access, begin by ensuring you have the necessary permissions in your Chef server. Log in to your Chef server with an account that has admin privileges. Navigate to the Chef server dashboard to configure your access settings. Locate the section for token management within the dashboard. Generate a new token specifically for node access. Make a note of the token, as it will be required for subsequent steps. Open a terminal window on your local machine where Chef is installed. Set up the authentication credentials using the following command. Replace the placeholder with the token you generated earlier. Configure the Chef client on the node you wish to authorize. Edit the client.rb file located in the Chef client configuration directory. Add the token to the client.rb file under the appropriate section. Ensure the correct node name and Chef server URL are also specified. Save and exit the client.rb file. Next, run the Chef client on the node using the command line. This process will authenticate the node using the token you provided. Monitor the output for any errors or issues during the authentication. Once successfully authenticated, the node will be authorized for interaction with the Chef server. You can verify the node's access by checking the Chef server dashboard again. If any issues arise, double-check the token and configuration settings. This completes the process of authorizing node access using Chef server tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.